Given a equals to m cube plus 1 by m cube, we have to prove m equals to 2 plus root 3 if a equals to 52. This is very common math for examination. First, we have to write like given a equals to m cube plus 1 by m cube, right? Now look, if a equals to 52, this case we can write here a also equals to m cube plus 1 by m cube. So against this a we can write m cube plus 1 divide m cube and equals to 52. Now we have to find out the value of m, and also it should be 2 plus root 3. It means we have to prove that. So first we can write like, we can make LCM like m cube, so it will be m to the power 6. How? Because m cube times m cube, once base are same, that time in multiplication product, in multiplication power will be add. It means 3 plus 3 and finally m to the power 6 and plus 1 equals to 52. Now we can multiply both sides by m cube. That case m to the power 6 plus 1 equals to 52 m cube. Now m to the power 6, we are subtract both sides by 52 m cube, so minus 52 m cube, not, it should be plus 1 equals to 0, right? Now in here what can we do? Here is a m to the power 6 minus 52 m cube plus 1 equals to 0. So first this one, this m to the power 6, we can write m cube and then square, it means m to the power 6, then minus, here is a 52, so this case we can write 2 times m cube times 26. So look, 26 times 2, it will be 52. So this 26 also we need 26 square, right? It's a common things, and here is a plus 1, but this is totally we add, so we have to subtract this one, otherwise the expression will not equal. So 26 square equals to 0, right? Now this one, a square minus 2ab plus b square, therefore we can write m cube minus 26 whole square, right? And this one minus will be plus, it means 26 whole square, and this one is minus 1. Next, m cube minus 26 whole square, and 26 square, once it will be 676, you can use calculator, minus 1, then m cube minus 26 whole square, it will be 675. Now we can write this one m cube minus 26 whole square, and against this 675 we can make an interesting thing, which is like 225 times 3. It will be similar thing, right? Next m cube minus 26 whole square, and this is 225, it's a perfect square. 15 square means 225, so we can write 15, and these 3 we can write a root 3 and whole square. This one we can write. Look, 15 square it means 225 and root 3 square means 3. Okay, so we have to carefully handle this kinds of thing. Now we will make square root both side. So what will happen? M cube minus 26 equals to 15 root 3. Okay, then m cube equals to 26 plus 15 root 3. Now we should make a important thing, which is here is a m cube. It means we have to cube root both side. If that, we have to make a theory like a plus b whole cube. We know a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So similar thing we have to do this one. How? First it will be unchanged. It means here is a m cube equal, this 26 is our key point. It means, look, we can write like here is a 26. It means how we can make 26 a and b. Suppose if we write this one is 8 and plus if we write this one is 18, it means 8 plus 18 will be 26, and here 15 root 3 will be unchanged. And look, this is root 3, it's also a key point. How? This 8 we can write 2 cube, right, plus then 3a square b. It means 3a square means 2 square, and b means we can use this one root 3. Okay, plus again 3ab square. It means 3a means 2 and b means what? B means root 3 and square, plus finally what? Finally b cube. It means root 3 cube. Now let's check. 2 cube it means 8, and 2 square is a 4. 4 times 3 is a 12, right? 4 times 3 is a 12. Look, we can write this one against this one. It's a 3. 2 square means 4. 4 times 3 is a 12 root 3, but till we need 15 root 3. Now this one 3 times 2 is a 6. Root 3 square means 3. 6 times 3 is 18. So this one done. Now root 3 cube, it means plus 3 root 3. Now look, this is a 15 root 3 and this is 3 root 3. It means this is 15 root 3. Very simple. So if you understand this one, we can write a very common thing, which is 2 plus root 3 whole cube, and here is m cube, and here is 2 plus root 3 whole cube. So finally we can write, once we make cubic root both side, it will be m equal 2 plus root 3. This one is our required information. So we need this one. Look, our question proved that m equals to 2 plus root 3. So we already prove. Very simple. So don't hesitate this kinds of math. You should answer this one. Don't ignore this one. It's looking big, but it's a common format, right? So no more today. Thank you very much. This kinds of math is very important for SSC, SAT and IGCSE. Actually, this is a common math in all examination. It's a good practice for algebra. Anyway, subscribe my channel MathZip and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.